In the past few years, artificial intelligence went from a futuristic buzzword to something people rely on every single day. And at the center of this evolution, three giants emerged: ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini. But something interesting happened in 2025. These AIs didn't just get smarter, they became different kinds of intelligence. And for the first time, choosing the right AI can actually shape the kind of creator, entrepreneur, or thinker you become. Today, we're not doing a basic comparison. This is a deep exploration, a journey into the minds of the three most powerful AIs on Earth. And what I learned will probably change the way you use AI forever. Stay with me till the end because there's a twist in this story that nobody talks about. ChatGPT began as an experiment, a conversational layer on top of a massive language model. People used it for fun, for homework, for ideas. But then something changed. It became the default AI for creativity, coding, business, and everything in between. Claude entered the scene quietly. Built on a philosophy of safe intelligence, it didn't try to be flashy. Instead, it focused on deep reasoning, understanding nuance, even understanding emotion. Some people say, Claude feels like talking to a wise friend. And then Google introduced Gemini, a multimodal powerhouse connected to the entire Google ecosystem. Your search history, your videos, your emails, your life. Gemini's mission wasn't to talk like a human. It was to help you live like a superhuman. By 2025, the competition shifted. It wasn't about which AI was the smartest. They all crossed that line. Now, it became a battle of identity. ChatGPT became the precision machine. Claude became the empathetic genius. Gemini became the real-world operator. And the deeper you explore them, the more their personalities show. So I decided to test them, not with simple questions, but with real-world problems that you and I face every day. Test 1. Building a business idea. I gave them one prompt: build a 7-day launch plan for a new AI tool for content creators. ChatGPT responded like a seasoned consultant. Structured steps, crystal clear timelines, actionable tactics. Claude responded like a strategist with emotional intelligence, adding psychological triggers, user motivations, storytelling angles. Gemini searched the landscape. It pulled Google Trends, audience demographics, traffic patterns, and integrated real-time data. And for the first time, I realized they weren't answering the same question. They were answering the question their way. Test 2. Fixing real code. I took a messy Flutter function, full of bugs and spaghetti logic. ChatGPT fixed it instantly, optimized it, explained it, and suggested cleaner architecture. Claude rewrote the code beautifully, but also gave the kind of explanation you'd get from a senior engineer mentoring a junior dev. Gemini did well when connected to Android Studio, but outside Google's tools, it struggled. Test 3. The creativity test. This one surprised me the most. I asked all three to write a motivational intro for a YouTube video, using storytelling. ChatGPT was polished, structured, and dramatic, like a professional scriptwriter. Claude felt alive. The emotion, the metaphor, the flow, it almost felt human. Gemini delivered clean writing but lacked that spark. Just when I thought the comparison was clear, something unexpected stood out. These AIs aren't competing on intelligence anymore. That battle is over. They're competing on identity, ecosystem, personality, and alignment with your life. ChatGPT's hidden strategy. ChatGPT isn't trying to be your assistant. It's trying to be your operating system. Tools, image generation, agents, memory features. Everything is becoming a unified AI workspace. Claude's hidden strategy. Claude wants to be the AI that truly understands humans. It's safe, empathetic, introspective, the AI you trust with complex thoughts. Gemini's hidden strategy. Gemini wants to be everywhere, in your phone, your browser, your apps. It's not trying to replace your workflow. It's trying to become your workflow. So, which one is the best? Here's the truth. There is no single best AI in 2025. There is only the best AI for the person you want to become. Choose ChatGPT if you want precision, consistency, coding power, business support, and the best tools. Choose Claude if you want emotional intelligence, deep writing, long-form thinking, and nuanced reasoning. Choose Gemini if you're fully inside the Google ecosystem and want real-world automation across your digital life. We're living in the first era where you can choose the intelligence that stands beside you, not as a tool, but as a partner, as a mirror, as an extension of your mind. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, 3 minds, 3 futures, and 1 choice that shapes your digital life. So tell me, which AI will you choose? Let's talk in the comments because this story, this evolution, is just beginning.